Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Hollyland LARK A1 wireless microphone. This works with any devices that uses Type-C. Alright, so right here we have the Hollyland LARK A1. This one here has several options to choose from. So I've got the Duo USB-C RX Plus charging case. They do offer the combo with the USB and the Lightning. And then you have the Mini Duo and the Mini Duo USB and C. They offered in blue, green, pink, and white. Also in black. The version I got was the black version. This is a super nice mini microphone. It clips right onto your shirt. It actually has a really strong magnetic. It is a 3-level intelligent noise cancellation. So it gets rid of all that background noise. It has 6 level of grain adjustments. It also has a very nice ultralight, indescribably discreet. So it sounds really nice. You have the little case right here. So it's super lightweight, easy to take with you on the go. It is about 8 G's weight and its thickness is 0.9 centimeters. The magnets on this are super strong, so it does stick very well. It has a 200 meter or 600 feet range, so you can go up to 600 feet. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box. So the good thing about this, it does come with these windbreakers. There's actually 2 of them. You get the charging cable, you get the case and the microphones. You also get a little carrying bag and an instructions manual. So if you want to change the gain and everything like that, you would just download the app. So the app is in the instructions manual. So this right here, so if you're outside and it's blowing pretty hard, that actually reduces the noise. You have a Type-C to USB. You have your charging case. Here is the box. This box is super small and lightweight. It records all day. It's got a 54-hour battery. Never stop exploring, capturing every moment. It has an EQ and reverb adjustment, auto limit clip protection. It's a plug and play, so you get 2 microphones and you also get a receiver that goes on to the bottom of your device. So that's the receiver right there in the middle. You have a noise cancellation button at the bottom. And then you have a Type-C to plug in here if you want to charge this. But you can also charge it by the case. So there is 2 microphones in here. Both of them are magnetized to the case. So not only are the clips to it magnetized, so it'll magnet to your shirt, it's also magnetized to the case itself, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. So you can see these little tiny magnets. So this right here is the prongs to charge the little microphones. It does not take very long to charge them. So a lot of people have you seen on YouTube, they show that they do magnet. So you can see right here, it's super strong. I've got like a little distance away and it's going to fly right to it. That shows you that it is a very strong magnet. It also magnetized to the case, again, so it doesn't fall out and you lose the devices. This one here is the windscreen, like I was saying before. If you're outside and you don't want to get all that wind, this here blocks all of that. So this is a windbreaker, and it doesn't look much different on the microphone. In fact, these are super nice. You do get 2 of them, 1 for each microphone. So this is more of an intensive experience with a microphone. It does have app control, instant mic central, using while you can charge. And it also has where you can change the color of these little lights on each microphone, so you know which one goes to which. So if you're doing any interviews. So it comes with 2 transmitter. It has a receiver. You get 2 windshields, a USB charging cable. You get a bag, 2 magnetics, and you also get the case itself. So this is a super nice microphone. You can see right here, it is magneting to the case, so it doesn't fall right out. And that's actually magnetizing to the other microphone. So we're just going to put this back in the case as soon as I can remove the magnet. And then this case itself can be charged by a USB Type-C. So you have the charging port right here, and it doesn't take very long to start charging this. Again, this is offered in several different colors and different options. So I'm going to go ahead and test out the microphone so you can see how good this microphone sounds. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with the microphone. I am using the LARK A1. So this is the first microphone. You do have the receiver. This receiver gets plugged into your phone. And then if you want to have a conversation with somebody else, you can take this one. They can clip this to their shirt, jacket, or whatever. It's got a really strong magnet. So if you just go like this, you can see it snaps on. It's kind of hard. And it just snaps right on. And not only is this magnet, this is also, it magnetizes into the case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the microphone. I'm going to turn the one on the camera so you can hear the difference of the audio. Okay, so now I am using the standard camera, microphone. So right now I have actually put it back into the case. You can see right now this orange button means that it's charging. So this is the black version. This is what it sounds like just on the camera microphone itself. The other one here sounds fantastic. If you're looking for a nice microphone that is convenient to take with you on the go for any influencer, I would definitely say check this one out.